Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are at my friend's house and we are going to be cooking them some Cajun shrimp. So we usually do this pretty often. Jason and I make this all the time, so we were like, you know what, let's just film it because we do it often and people are always asking us like, how do you do it, this, that. And I do have instructions on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, I can leave it right here for you guys. I do have instructions on how to do it under my food tab if you go to my food tab. But today we are making some boiling crab shrimp for our friends and we are going to be showing you guys how we do it. So if you guys are interested in watching that, just keep watching. This recipe is amazing. It literally tastes like the whole shebang from boiling crab. So I hope you guys try it, and if you try it, let me know. I made the cheesecake and everybody loved the cheesecake, so I was like, perfect. Like, I think the cooking videos are cool. So yeah, I'm making this one now and I hope you guys stay tuned and keep watching.
This is a Mexican household thing. You don't have these in an Asian household.
Lime?
Lime squeezers.
Oh. Hi! Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Huh? Huh? Why are you crying? No esté chillando, niño. No esté chillando. Bye. Bye bye. Okay, we just finished cooking, and what do you say, babe?
It came out great.
Honestly,
I think it's the best we probably made it. It tastes different every time we make it. I feel like. This
but
is the
it
third
just
time
keeps
we tried.
getting better.
Yeah.
Honestly.
I
would say
the second time was good too though. I wouldn't say this is better.
It's been
it just
good.
It tastes different.
It's
the first time was real salty, and we cooked the shrimp wrong. The shrimp was
first time
overcooked.
was a taste test for sure.
But
a test.
yeah, I think we got pretty good at it.
I'm gonna do a taste test on the sausage, and I like to dip mine in lime, so let me dip it. Okay.
Fire. Huh.
Better than.
The second time is the best one?
Better than the restaurant.
For sure.
Like, because you can add what you want. Like,
you make it how you want it.
yeah, you make it how you want. And we made it better, I feel. So. Oh yeah, it's right here.
Please. We like three if you could.
You still need to dip it in there. Or just get a little extra juice on your plate.
Yeah, I need some. Butter though.
All the seasoning at the bottom.
You got one shrimp.
One shrimp, okay?
These things.
And rice. You got the rice.
I need some rice too. You got a little bowl?
What you gotta say, baby?
The season's there, for sure. A little salty. And a little bit more butter. But other than that, it's bomb.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it too. Just off my fingers.
Tom, how does it taste?
I like it.
Let's try the shrimp.
It's different than like the typical restaurant, the burger crab, you know?
Like different how?
I don't know.
You said it's not as
Whatever spice you use though, what is it?
It's a different.
A lot.
Kind of
It tastes good.
Let me fill in your plate.
Next to straight though.
How's it with the corn? We've never added corn or potato.
Okay.
Some rice. Put it in. Put it in. Come on. Lavelle, come here. He's like going backwards.
I know, he does that. Lavelle.
Lavelle.
What's up?
Come on. Go to sleep.
And that is Lavelle trying to poop.
Púchale. Okay, come on.
Ay, Dios mío, qué chiple.
Come here, little boy.
Bye.
Bye. Hey.
Jen, what a kid.
Huh?
What would Jen do with a kid?
¿Por qué chingas? ¿Ah? Ahorita te voy a chingar. That's what I'm gonna tell my kid. Okay, don't.
Lavelle. Lavelle.
Look at
Hey, tu mamá te está hablando.
Lavelle.
Lavelle. ¿Qué estás haciendo, cabrón? ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué estás haciendo, cabrón?
Okay, I'm in a crybaby. I'm in the crybaby. Say hello. Say hello, everybody. Bye. Hi, baby. Come on.
No empieces. He's so tall.
Who's that?
Look at you, baby.
What's that, Papa?
Do you think he'll walk before he crawls?
No, I don't know. Maybe.
Because you got this thing.
What do you think? What do you think?
What do you have to say, huh? What do you have to say? No comment. Look it. I'm not really holding it.
I know.
The cutest little feet. The cutest little feet. Okay, ya estuvo.
Okay, so that is it for us cooking for our friends, showing you guys our recipe. We are on our way home now. They are literally our neighbors. They live 5 minutes from us. So, yeah, we are on our way home. How do you think it went?
I think it went good. Actually, more than I thought. I'm super full.
Yeah, we ate so much, honestly. And then I also made cheesecake. I brought cheesecake that I made yesterday, and I brought it. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. I will see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!